All right, I want to thank you for tuning in the video today. Today I'm here at Victoria Dodge in Victoria, Texas, y'all. See this Raptor R behind me? It's available here at Victoria Dodge if you're interested, y'all. This is one of my builds. It's a great truck. Y'all, this thing has the EGR Rolltrac power bed cover. It's got the buttons here. This thing's got the Wolfbox digital rearview mirror, 37 1350 KM3s. Let me turn this camera around. Let's do a walk around. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna apologize for the wind, but if you look, 37 1350 KM3s. This thing has Igla and drone mobile already installed, ready to go. Got the M&R Light Bar on it, y'all. This one has the decals package, has a sunroof, hard loaded, and also for a 25 model, the Ford factory keypad. Yes, it is Ford, it is wired, and it works. So, like I said, if you're interested in this truck, give these guys at Victoria Dodge a holler. Very nice loaded vehicle. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay tuned to see what's coming.